Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. So today, our group are gonna talk about trigonometry. But before that, we're gonna show you about a video about introduction of trigonometry.
One kind of triangle, a right angled triangle, which is also referred to as a right triangle. This right triangle is right angled at this vertex. The good news is that one angle is known and only two remain. This one and this one. Let this angle be theta. This is the triangle we will be dealing with to cover most of our trigonometry. A triangle with an angle theta and a right angle. It doesn't have to be called theta, but that's what it is generally referred to as. But how do these kind of triangles help us in real life? How does trigonometry help us in real life? Let's say Zen wants to find the height of this tree. He has to measure this length, which is the height. One way is to make an approximate guess, but a better way to find the height is by using trigonometry. Let's assume this distance is known to us. Remember, it's always easier to find the distance or the length on the ground than finding the distance vertically. And we can find the approximate measure of this angle, which is theta. With just these two pieces of information, Zen can find the height of this tree. Finding the height of a tree may not sound appealing to you, but the next example surely will. This time, Zen wants to find the height of a mountain. If this distance is known and this angle is known, then the height can easily be found out. But how? That's precisely what we will try to understand in trigonometry.
Okay, welcome back with me. Okay, in this lab, I'm going to introduce you my group members. Okay, the first one we have Nur Nazira Azwa, and the second Nurin Natasha, Nur Abdul Arif, and the last one of our members is Teo Yunzi. Okay, in this lab, I'm going to talk about introduction of trigonometry. Trigonometry is the study of the properties of triangle and the trigonometric function to be used for various applications. Trigonometry is also studies the relationship in mathematics that involve length, height, and angle of various triangles. Trigonometry is about a study of the angles and dimension of triangle, where one of the internal angles is about 19 degrees. Trigonometry understands the relationship between side and angle of a right angle triangle. Being one of the important branches of mathematics, every student should focus on trigonometry. This allows the student to understand the complexity dimension in a very less time. Application of trigonometry. Trigonometry in construction, trigonometry in criminology, trigonometry in flight engineering, trigonometry in marine biology, trigonometry in astronomy, trigonometry in geology, and the last one is trigonometry in video games. How is trigonometry used in architecture? Trigonometry is what helps the architect to calculate roof slope, ground surface, line angle, structure, load, and height and width of structure to design a mathematical draft that a constructor can use for construction purpose. It's likely they will have plenty of refillable notebooks as well as software to do this. Trigonometric functions are what help in drawing angle, calculating precision measurement, and determining the height of the structure. With the help of various trigonometric functions, an architect elucidates a design plan that can be easily understood and used by the constructor.
This is an example for architecture. Learning outcome. First, understand how to apply source charter. Second, understand how to apply Pythagoras theorem. The last one, find missing type in right angle triangle. This is a formula of trigonometry.
Okay, next we're going to talk about mathematical solution with drawing.
Okay, first assemble. Solution using Pythagoras theorem. If A equal to 5, B equal to 12, so we're gonna to find C equal to how much? How we find C? We can use the formula C squared equal to A squared plus B squared. And if after we put all the data into the question into the formula, we can get C equal to 13, and 13 is the length of C. Okay, the second example, we're going to use solution so K12. A equal to 10, C equal to 12. Okay, and we need to find the angle of A. We can use the formula sine A equal to opposite divide hypotenuse. Sine A equal to 10 divide 20. So we can get A equal to 30, and the angle of A is 30. Okay, next. This is the conclusion of the trigonometric. This provides us that trigonometry in architecture is very helpful and useful in solving real-life architecture problems. Trigonometry may not have all that many everyday applications, but it does help you to work with triangles more readily. It is a useful supplement to geometry and actual measurements, and as such well worth developing an understanding of the basics, even if you never wish to progress further. Okay, this is all of our presentation. Thank you.